So hi everyone, so today I will be deriving the formula for finding the arc length of any function on a 2D plane. Suppose we have this function in the graph. Then start by picking any point, which will be used to be a fixed point. Then connect the second point to the fixed one and start moving it within the chosen interval where the function is continuous. We can clearly observe that as the second point gets closer and closer to the initial point, the line connecting them seems to approximate one part of the graph. Consider the distance formula, which can be used to find the length from one point to another. From our 2 points, we can now start by labeling them as x, f of x and y, f of y, which by distance formula can be turned into this expression. Since the idea is to shorten the distance of the inputs as much as possible, we can replace y by x plus h, which maps the graph to f of x plus h. Then take the limit as h approaches 0. Then we can play with the expression by factoring the x plus hx from the inside argument. Which will make us recognize that it is the formula for f prime of x. We can now subsequently sum it all up for all the points on a closed interval from a to b. Then by taking the limit of this summation up to infinity we will get a Riemann sum that can be converted into its integral form. There it is, the formula for the arc length of any function.